Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use Bixby voice command for the Bixby routines on your Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then press on the side key or the Bixby key, and then go to the Bixby home page. Over here, tap on the menu key at the top and tap on My Capsules. In My Capsules, go down and tap on Bixby Routines. Then here, tap on View All, and here are some of the commands that you could use to use with your routine. So you can say stop the driving routine, launch good morning routine, turn off workout routine, or turn on home routines. So let's give it a try. Hey Bixby, turn on home routine.
There isn't on home routine.
Hey Bixby, turn on work routine.
There isn't on work routine.
So you can take a look at the Bixby routines and see what routines you have available. So I'm going to swipe down and tap on the settings icon. Then I'm going to go into advanced features and then tap on Bixby routines. And then I'm going to add in a couple of routines. So we've got here good morning. I'm going to tap on the plus icon. So just going to go down and then tap on my routines and see what I've got. So I got flashlight routine, Wi-Fi routine, workout routine. So we try that workout routine. Hi Bixby, turn on workout routine.
There isn't on workout routine.
So I said there isn't on workout routine. So let's check it out why it's doing that. Hi Bixby, turn on workout routines.
Turning on workout routine.
And then I'm just going to go back into routine and see if it's turned on. So workout routine is running at the moment. So let's turn on Wi-Fi routine. Hi Bixby, turn on Wi-Fi routine.
Wi-Fi is already on.
Hi Bixby, turn on flashlight routine.
Done. It's on.
So it's on. Hi Bixby, turn off flashlight routine.
Flashlight routine is already stopped now.
So it stopped, but the flashlight is still on, and that is because in the routine, when we stop the routine, it actually doesn't stop the flashlight, doesn't turn off the flashlight. So we need to create a routine to turn off the flashlight. So if I go into routines, you can see in flashlight routines it's only turn on the flashlight, but it doesn't turn off. And so even when the flashlight routine is stopped, it doesn't turn off the flashlight. So I'm just going to turn off manually. So yeah, that's how you can use Bixby voice command to run or stop Bixby routines. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.